Greetings to all. Today we are going to continue with sum number 4, 1 and 2. You may be thinking that why I am going haphazard. It is not haphazard. Actually, the pattern of sum, I am switching towards them and I am going with that only. So first we will do fourth sum first. So I am reading the sum and make you understand how the sums goes. Akruti and Bindi entered into the partnership for making garment on April 1st, 2016 without any partnership agreement. So they don't have partnership agreement. So when the partnership agreement is absent, then that 5 points you have to take into consideration. They introduced capital of 5 lakhs and 3 lakhs respectively. On October 1st, 2016, Akruti advanced 20,000 by way of loan to the firm without any agreement as to interest. Profit and loss account for the year ended on 31st March 2017 showed a profit of 43,000. Partners could not agree upon the question of interest and the basis of division of profit. So Akruti has advanced a loan of 20,000. Now when the partner advances a loan to the firm, then what amount of interest is to be charged? If nothing is mentioned, then it will be 6% per annum. And basis of division will be what? The basis of division will be equal. You are required to divide the profits between them by preparing profit and loss appropriation account. So we are going to draw first profit and loss appropriation account, under which we are going to draw as per the format. So here is a ready format for profit and loss appropriation account. Have a look on that. Books of Akruti and Bindu, profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended on 31st/3/2017, and the format of profit and loss appropriation account. Now very first thing you have to transfer the net profit of 43,000. Now looking at the question, have a look on the question. Here in the question it is mentioned that on 31st March 2017 it showed 43,000. Profit and loss account showed 43,000 as a profit. So first thing we have transfer is 43,000 over here. So first thing, every time, every sum you have to transfer by net profit, transfer from profit and loss account 43,000. Now we have a question that interest, Akruti's interest, how much interest will be charged? So Akruti's interest will be charged for how many months, and that we are going to do in the working part. So switching towards the working part, here we have to write down working note, and here we are going to do the working. Akruti advanced 20,000 on what date? 1st October 2016. So 20,000 multiplied by 6 upon 100, because 6% per annum. When the partnership deed is not there, then a loan advanced by the partner is always charged as 6% per annum. Multiply by 6 months. How come 6 months? October onwards up to March. So October, November, December, January, February, March. So this way your 6 months comes. So now working for this will give you rupees 600. So 20,000, 100 cut, 6 2s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6 again. Right? So 600 rupees is a interest on loan. So switching towards that interest on loan, transfer that to the P&L appropriation credit side. We have to minus it. What we have to do is minus interest on loan, 600 rupees. So ultimately outer gives you 42,400. Now this 42,400 is to be distributed among the partners. Now how it will be distributed? Equally. They will be distributed equally, because no mention of profit sharing ratio is given. So it will be distributed equally. 42,500 is a profit, multiplied by 1 upon 2, and 42,500 for Bindu 1 upon 2. So that gives you individual 21,200 to both the partners. So this way this ends a sum. Now switching towards the next sum, that is sum number 1. That is, now this sum is based on fixed and fluctuating capital. Fixed and fluctuating capital. So first we will be reading the sum, so we will come to know which type of pattern of sum is there, and then we will solve that. I am reading the sum for you people. Tripathi and Chauhan are the partners in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Now they are the partners. Tripathi and Chauhan are partners with 3:2 as a ratio. Their capital were 60,000 and 40,000 as on April 1st, 2015. Now during the year, they earned a profit of 30,000. Means the full year, means as a partner, their profit sharing ratio, that is net divisible profit, is 30,000. According to partnership deed, both the partners are entitled for 1,000 per month of salary and 5% interest on capital. They are also to be charged an interest of 5% per annum on drawings, irrespective of the period, which is 12,000 for Tripathi and 8,000 for Chauhan. So here drawings is also mentioned. 5% interest is to be charged on drawings, interest on capital is to be charged, and at the same time salary is also to be paid. You are required to prepare partners' capital and current account when the capital are fixed. So here they had specifically mentioned that their capital is fixed. So we have to move on with the format of capital account fixed nature and current account fixed current account. So this is the format. Switching towards that, Tripathi and Chauhan partners capital account for the year ended on 31st March. Here have a look on the format please. Date, particulars, ledger folio, and the partner's name will be there. That is Tripathi and Chauhan, and same way date, particulars, ledger folio, Tripathi and Chauhan. Same way we will be preparing current account also, that is partners current account, date, particulars, ledger folio, Tripathi, Chauhan, date, particulars, ledger folio, Tripathi and Chauhan. So now one by one we are going to put down the items in this. Tripathi and Chauhan are the partners sharing profit and losses in 3:2. This is to be kept aside. Their capitals is 60,000 and 40,000 on April 1st, 2015. So very first thing you have to transfer is buy balance brought down, that is opening balance 60,000 and 40,000. So in the capital account we are going to transfer 60,000 and 40,000. Now next point. During the year, they earned a profit of 30,000. Now they had mentioned that 30,000 is their profit. So here, this is what net divisible profit. So we have to transfer this directly to the partner's current account, because all the items which are now to be transferred, that will be always in the current account. So by P&L appropriation, 30,000 I have distributed in 3:2. For that I have shown the working. We are switching towards working over there. So here on the very first distribution of profit, you can have a look on this. 30,000 multiplied by 3 upon 5. 30,000 multiplied by 3 upon 5, and same way Chauhan 30,000 multiplied by 2 upon 5. 3:2. So you have learned factors, that is ratios. So 3:2 means gives you what? 3 upon 5. So 30,000 multiplied by 3 upon 5, 18,000, and 30,000 multiplied by 2 upon 5, that gives you 12,000. So this way you have to distribute your profit. Now next point, according to the partnership deed, both the partners are entitled for 1,000 per month as a salary. So now we are switching towards partners current account, where they had transferred the salary. So 1,000 per month salary. So 1,000 means 1,000 multiplied by 12. So salary is equal to 1,000 multiplied by 12. So I am doing over here 1,000 into 12 is equal to 12,000 as a salary. Clear? Same way, now further we are going to read it. and interest on capital. Interest on capital is 5%. Now first I will show the working of interest on capital. How much capital was there of both them? 60,000 and 40,000. The capital was standing with 60,000 and 40,000. As we are aware, they started the business with 60 and 40,000, right? So take that amount, 60 and 40,000. Come to your working part. So working note I have drawn interest on capital. So looking at interest on capital, 60,000 multiplied by 5 upon 100, because 5% per annum interest is there. And same way, Chauhan, 40,000 multiplied by 5 upon 100. So that gives you 3,000 and 2,000 respectively. So switching towards that, here interest on capital, we have to transfer 3,000 and 2,000 towards interest on capital. Now we have to move towards next part. So now next statement, they are also charged interest on, they are also charged interest on 5% on drawings. So drawings amount is not given, so first we will transfer drawings. The drawings of Tripathi is 12,000 and Chauhan is 8,000. So they have mentioned that Tripathi and Chauhan is having a 12,000 and 8,000 as a drawings. So we will first transfer drawings to the current account. So current account, come to your partner's current account, drawings 12,000 and 8,000. Now working for that also, interest on drawings. Now interest on drawings is charged 5%. Same working note I have given. So we will move towards working part of this on the first page. So here comes your interest on drawings. So why I have taken here, they had mentioned they are also charged interest on capital per annum on drawings irrespective of the period. Means they had not mentioned any period or something. So we will be giving that for the full year. So interest on drawings, Tripathi 12,000 he has withdrawn. So 12,000 multiplied by 5 upon 100. Multiplied by 6 upon 12. Here irrespective of period means whenever they had taken. So we have a rule that whenever they are withdrawing this, they have to withdraw for 6 months, because nothing is mentioned but per annum is mentioned. So 12,000 multiplied by 5 upon 100 multiplied by 6 upon 12. You have to go through the theory little part. So 12,000 multiplied by 5 upon 100 gives you final answer of rupees 600. And same way, irrespective of period, so we are going to take for the full year, that is 12,000 multiplied by 5 upon 100, and same way 8,000 multiplied by 5 upon 100. So that gives you 600 and 500 respectively. So now transfer that to debit side of partner's current account, that is interest on drawings 600 and 400 respectively. So this way that ends the sum. So now first we will make a total. So if you want to close current account, we can close current account also first. So 18,000 plus 12,000 and plus 3,000, that gives you 33,000, and from that we have to minus 12,000 and minus 600. So that gives you difference of 20,400, and that is balance carried down, and that is to be transferred as opening one, balance brought down 20,400. Same way Chauhan 12,000, 12,000 and 2,000 gives you 26,000 and minus 8,000 and 400. So finally it gives you 17,600. So this way this close our current account. Now we will be closing our fixed capital, that is partner's capital account. Partner's capital account is very simple. 60,000 was the balance which is carried forward in the next coming year, and that is balance carried down. So this will be transferred as balance brought down in the next coming year. So this way this ends the sum. Now we are going to switch on with the sum number 2, that is Anubha and Kajal. Now Anubha and Kajal are partners of a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. Now their capital were 90,000 and 60,000. So their capital is 90,000 and 60,000. They had mentioned over here the profit during the year were rupees 45,000. According to the partnership deed, both partners are allowed a salary of 700 per month, Anubha, and 500 per month to Kajal. Interest allowed is 5% per annum. Drawings during the year is 8,500 of Anubha and 6,500 of Kajal. Interest is to be charged 5% per annum on drawings. Prepare partners capital account assuming that capital accounts are fixed. Now here also same sum, but here they had mentioned that their capital is which nature? Fluctuating nature. So when there is a fluctuating nature capital, only one account is to be prepared, and that is your partners capital account. So we are switching towards partners capital account preparation. Here also there is no preparation of P&L appropriation because already profit is given by them. So slowly and gradually we will move on. That is capital where 90,000 and 60,000. So 90,000 and 60,000 is the capital of the partners. So that is to be transferred over here. That is 90 and 60. That is opening balance. Then comes your next. The profit during the year is 45,000. So firm is having their working, whatever they had done in the full year, they had earned how much of profit? They had earned a profit of rupees 45,000. So 45,000 is their profit, which is distributed among the partners in 2:1. So they had mentioned over here that 2:1 is the distribution of profit. So we will be distributing profit in this particular manner, that is 45,000 multiplied by 2:1. So when there is a 2:1, that is 2/3 and 1/3. So looking at this 45,000 I have shown in the working. 45,000 multiplied by 2/3 is equal to 30,000, and Kajal is equal to 45,000 multiplied by 1/3 is equal to 15,000. So that we will be transferring to the partners capital account credit side because they will increase the capital. So here also same way, interest on profit and loss appropriation 30,000 and 45,000 respectively. Sorry, 30,000 and 15,000 respectively. By mistake I have written 45 is 15,000. A total may be correct only because I was doing by my way only. So this is not 45 by mistake, it is written is 15,000. Okay, fine. Then comes your next. According to the partnership deed, both the partners are allowed salary of 700 per month, while Anubha and 500 per month of Kajal. So salary is equal to, Anubha is equal to 700 into 12, and same way Kajal is equal to 500 into 12. So that is also to be transferred to the partners capital account, that is salary, again same way, salary 8,400 and 3,000 respectively. Then comes your next further. Interest allowed on capital. Interest allowed on capital is 5%. So here working is given. Their capital was 90,000. 90,000 multiplied by 5/100, 4,500, and same way 60,000 multiplied by 5/100, 3,000. So the capital is to be also transferred, and that is 4,500 and 3,000 respectively. So now that is also to be shown in the partners capital account because that increases again their capital. So whenever there is an increase of capital, it will be always transferred on the credit side. So that is understood now, and in the future also we are going to understand that very easily. Then comes your next point, that is interest drawings during the year is 8500 of Anubha and 6500 of Kajal. So Anubha and Kajal is withdrawing the drawings in the respective way. So we are going to transfer that to the partners capital account debit side. So two drawings, Anubha is standing with 8500 and Kajal is standing with 6500. So transferring of drawings is also done. Now we will be switching towards next part, that is interest on drawings is to be charged. Interest on drawings is to be charged for 5% per annum. So they are charging interest on capital as 5%. So interest on capital is equal to 5%. We have to calculate that in this particular manner. So switching towards this, interest on capital is equal to 8500 multiplied by 5 upon 100 multiplied by 6 upon 12. Now why here we are taking 6 upon 12? Nothing is mentioned that in which year they had taken. So in the previous sum it was written that irrespective of the year or period. So irrespective of period was there, so we have taken full year. While in this sum they had mentioned that that they had withdrawn during the year. So we are going to take 6 months for the sum. Same way for the Kajal also, that 6500 multiplied 5 upon 100 multiplied 6 upon 12, same manner. So answer gives you 213 and 163 respectively. So that is to be transferred to the debit side of interest on drawings, that is interest on drawings 213 and 163. So this way we can complete our sum. Now we are going to move towards totaling of this. So while totaling this, all the credit side first is to be totaled, that is 132,900, and while on the Kajal gives you same way 84,000. So this way the total of them will be done, and the difference whatever you arrived is 1,24,187 and 77,337 of Kajal. So that will give you balance carried down. So this way your full sum will be completed. So this is just an understanding of how the maintenance of fluctuating capital can be done. And in the previous sum we have learned about how the fixed capital nature is to be done, and this way the fixed and fluctuating capital can be presented. Now in the next procedure of the sum, there will be merging of, that is merging of P&L appropriation account and the P&L appropriation account and partners capital account will be there. That ends the sum. Thank you.